Hi guys, ito naman ang inyong Inday. So, ito na naman, maaga na naman tayo nag-design at may nagpabukas sa atin ng 8 AM at saka 10 AM. So, ito naman lang, maglilinis muna ako na mabilis at nakaset up na ang ating room. So, ito na rin yung ating gamit, naka-ready na rin. And ayan na yung ating first client, ayan na yung kanyang lashes. LED time, don't forget, syempre. And that's it. Ayan na naman, happy client na naman tayo today.
Okay.
Session
Grabe
down.
yung kilay ko.
So,
Wala
happy
pala
naman
akong
sa and ayan na, nag-chat na yung ating second client, 10 AM. Nakandaligaw-ligaw pa siya. So, siya naman ang ating session. Lashes before and after. LED time. Para matibay, syempre, don't forget. And ayan na, almost done. And that's it. Another second client for today. Thank you. God bless, guys. Thanks po.